Hello everyone, my name is Witonza Njariete. Today we are going to pitch our project as a Sync Zone. So today we are going to pitch a project of combating climate change in Africa, a path to sustainable development. What is climate change? Climate change refers to a change of the long-term climate in Earth, particularly to rise a global pattern, weather patterns, and shifting ecosystem. So these are the key impacts of climate change, like rising temperature, disruption of ecosystem, intense rain, flood, and landslides. Our mission is to empower Africa through responsible resources management and sustainable development and strong governance to ensure economic stability, social well-being, and long-term prosperity. We have come to think of this mission due to the problem statement we had. Like in Africa, we have been facing severe overexploitation of its natural resources for decades. For example, Congo forests have been facing deforestation without deforestation. As you can see from since 1990s, Africa have been facing rising of global demand for strategic minerals like copper. We intend to solve this problem, which was leading to overexploitation, and we intend to solve it by 2035. Thank you.
As we continue, this is our research analysis. According to the UN, Africa is a home of 30% of natural resources. But because these resources are mismanaged, this leads to loss of revenues, leading to poverty. And also, climate change poses as a sustainable threat to African economies, reducing continent's GDP by 2%. So when the temperature rises by 1%, this reduces the economy. Thirdly, since the late 19th century, Africa has experienced average increase of temperatures in some areas like Sahel. Then lastly, Africa loses approximately 50 billion due to illegal extraction of resources. So as we continue, our project is called Global Conservations for a Sustainable Future, Solving Climate Change Together. So our objective is to engage with individuals, communities, and organizations in an open dialogue to share ideas, solutions, and inspire collective action to climate change. And the ways we're going to achieve our objective first is to raise awareness and educate on climate change, planting more trees through reforestation, introducing electricity-generated motors to avoid fumes, avoid deforestation, and also influence policy changes.
Continuously, climate change is mainly affected by the cut down of trees. Trees is very important for the world, so that's why we are planning to plant 1,500 trees.
In conclusion, with the $10,000 grant, we aim to enhance Africa's climate resilience by planting trees, empowering communities to adapt to climate change, build sustainable lives, and reduce environmental harm. We will do this by planting over 1,500 trees, as we said above, and we will do this all over Africa. Your support will ensure a sustainable and prosperous future for Africa. Thank you so much. We really appreciate if we get that grant.